This AVACRAFT Nonstick Saucepan with glass lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It has a 2.5 QT capacity. This makes it perfect for many tasks. You can boil water or make delicious sauces. The non-stick surface ensures food won't stick. Cleaning up afterwards is easy and quick. This saucepan aims to simplify your cooking days. The AVACRAFT Nonstick Saucepan with glass lid comes with a special lid. This lid has strainer holes on both sides, so you can easily drain liquids without needing a separate colander. Two side spouts also help with pouring. They make it easy for both right-handed and left-handed people. The glass lid lets you see your food as it cooks. Plus, the handle on the lid stays cool. This is a thoughtful aspect of its design. This AVACRAFT Nonstick Saucepan with glass lid is made with quality in mind. It is 100% free of PTFE and PFOA toxins. This makes it a safe choice for your family. The ceramic coating adds to its non-stick abilities. While it's not meant for the broiler, it works well on most stovetops. It is a versatile tool for various cooking initiatives. This saucepan can be a valuable part of your kitchen content. Pros: non-stick, glass lid, strainer lid, PTFE free, PFOA free, toxins free, 2 spouts, easy. Pour, multi-purpose, ceramic pot 2.5 QT size. Cons: lid doesn't seal spouts, ceramic can stain, handle might get hot, strainer holes not ideal. Glass lid harder to clean, possible uneven heating, non-stick may degrade, could be prone to denting features. Strainer lid, 2 side spouts, multi-purpose use, ceramic pot 2.5 QT size, glass lid, easy to pour, healthy cooking. This AVACRAFT saucepan is a 2.5 quart pot with a special lid made of glass that can also strain food. It has 2 openings on the sides to help you pour liquids easily without making a mess. You can use this pot for many different cooking tasks. It's made with ceramic and doesn't have harmful chemicals called PTFE and PFOA. So it's a healthy choice for cooking. This AVACRAFT 2.5 QT nonstick saucepan has a glass lid with strainer holes and 2 side spouts to make pouring easy. It's made with a ceramic coating that's free of harmful chemicals like PTFE and PFOA. This multi-purpose pot is designed for easy pouring and is made of ceramic. However, the lid doesn't seal the spouts. The ceramic might stain. The handle could get hot. The strainer holes may not be ideal for all tasks. The glass lid can be harder to clean. It might heat unevenly. The non-stick coating may wear out over time, and it could be easily dented.